The St. Johns River meanders north between Volusia and Seminole counties. On its way northward to the ocean, it flows by Deltona, DeBary, DeLand, and Orange City. Along its way, the river is fed by natural springs that contribute groundwater from the Floridan aquifer. The largest of these is Volusia Blue, which provides approximately 100 million gallons per day of pristine spring water to the area. The spring provides an ideal recreation site, a natural habitat for fish and fauna, and the largest warm water refuge on the East Coast for West Indian manatees. A steady flow of pure, warm water is essential for these mammals. The source of this steady flow of warm water is the Volusia Floridan aquifer. Residents of Volusia County also rely on this aquifer as their sole source of drinking water. This system requires a delicate balance between man and nature. The Florida Department of Environmental Protection and St. Johns River Water Management District established a minimum flow and total maximum daily load for nitrogen to ensure the quantity and quality of water in the springs to strike this balance. The efforts include a variety of water recovery, treatment, recharge, and conservation initiatives. A portion of water needed to accomplish this goal is met by strategic withdrawal from the St. Johns River itself. Water is pumped from the river every day and conveyed to the DeLand Water Reclamation Facility. Near the heart of downtown DeLand, the city's wastewater facility provides treatment for domestic sewage and surface water from the river. It has been recently updated to provide advanced filtration and nutrient removal to reduce phosphorus and nitrogen far below traditional treatment levels. The plant improvements also include new high-rate filters and high-level disinfection to create an abundant supply of public access reclaimed water for irrigation and recharge. This will replace groundwater use and enhance the ability to recharge the aquifer throughout the springshed. DeLand also constructed a series of infiltration basins for recharge and installed biologically activated media called BAM. BAM absorbs much higher levels of nitrogen than possible through conventional use of natural systems. These projects are examples of innovative technology being used by West Volusia utilities to restore water quantity and quality to the springshed. We are installing entirely new distribution networks of purple pipes to distribute reclaimed water throughout the region so existing neighborhoods can replace potable water irrigation meters with reuse meters. This will increase natural recharge to the springshed and enhance nitrogen uptake for the entire basin. Sharing this resource is essential. Continuing that innovative spirit, we have installed miles of reclaimed water mains interconnecting new distribution systems. A multi-million-dollar, jointly funded reclaimed water interconnect project includes a series of transmission mains, valves, and meters. This allows utilities to share this water source throughout the springshed for irrigation, recharge, and non-potable uses. It allows for beneficial utilization of millions of gallons of water each day. Members of the West Volusia Water Suppliers meet at Blue Springs to discuss current strategies and long-term solutions to the area's water issues.
I'm Bob Apgar, Mayor of DeLand. I'm really proud and pleased with the work of the West Volusia utility providers. That's DeLand, Orange City, Deltona, and Volusia County. We've been working together to provide our citizens with a long-term, sustainable, and affordable water supply. By working together, we've been able to cut the costs of the individual projects considerably. But one concern that I have is the future. Future political leaders and administrative leaders have to continue to work together because this plan does not work unless all of us stay the long term and work together.
Hi, I'm Vice Mayor Heidi Hertzberg with the City of Deltona. With continued population growth, both in residents and in economic development, it's important that Deltona and the surrounding communities focus on water quality and water quantity.
I'm Gary Blair, Mayor of Orange City, Florida. We're at Blue Spring State Park, which attracts over 600,000 visitors a year to our area. Together with our neighboring cities, we're working to help sustain and keep this water clean for future generations.
I'm Tom Carey, Pollution Control Manager for Volusia County. While Blue Spring is a beautiful park, it actually encompasses a much larger area than just the spring and the park itself. The springshed is actually 130 miles square, has 5 cities in it, and 180,000 residents. Both the state and the water management districts have made springs protection a high priority. So we must achieve a balance. We must protect our natural resources while preparing for the growth into the future.
Deltona has been hard at work constructing a new eastern wastewater treatment facility. It is a membrane bioreactor plant that provides the highest level of sewage treatment and nutrient reduction possible. This membrane plant and Class AA biosolids treatment facility boasts the most technologically advanced combination of treatment systems in East Central Florida. Reclaimed water storage and pumping systems convey this highly treated resource to the city's Alexander Avenue water site. The 40-acre Alexander Avenue water resource site recharges treated effluent and harvested stormwater pumped here from throughout the city. The ribs provide recharge for up to 2 million gallons per day. This site is now under construction, and new surface water filtration, disinfection, and storage systems are being built to treat surface water from nearby Lake Monroe. Upon completion, Deltona will have the capacity to withdraw and treat up to 6 million gallons per day from Lake Monroe. Volusia County Utilities provide sewage treatment and reclaimed water production and distribution for DeBary and other county customers at 2 water reclamation facilities. The largest is the Southwest Regional Water Reclamation Facility. It is undergoing a $12 million upgrade to increase treatment capacity and improve nutrient removal. The plant capacity upgrades and process improvements will enable treatment of more sewage at a much higher level. It is a vital part of the overall program to provide additional capacity for new customers and future septic-to-sewer conversion programs. Eliminating existing septic systems will also play a role in reducing nitrogen loading to the groundwater. The natural resources available to us and the quality of life we enjoy in Volusia County are priceless. We live, work, and play in an environmentally sensitive region and have a shared obligation to responsibly manage these resources for future generations. The West Volusia water suppliers are committed to serving their customers and protecting the environment. The Blue Spring Compliance Strategy is an example of a solution that was conceived and implemented locally by those who have the most to lose. We will succeed because we also have the most to gain.